Welcome to my channel. 4 divided by 4 over 3 times 3. 3 into here 1, 3 into here 1. Then we have 4 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. 1 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation. Whenever we see division and multiplication in the same expression, we have to work from our left to our right, which is we have to solve our division first before multiplication because they have equal priorities. Let's solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we solve our 4 divided by 4 over 3. Then we have to apply the rule of KCF here, which is K stands for keep, we keep our 4. C stands for change, we change division to multiplication. F stands for flip, then we flip it to 3 over 4 times 3. Now 4 into here will give us 1, 4 into here will give us 1. We are left with 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is the right answer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.